everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Tuxiko.
Hello everyone, I am the Dr. Winston. Welcome to our channel.
Today's video topic is the importance of dental aesthetics in job interviews. According to a study, within as little as 100 milliseconds, the person in front of you is already giving a rating based on your appearance. That's exactly why you shouldn't overlook the added value that a confident smile brings you in job interviews and assessments. Now, I'm going to get some information from Dr. Kazandi about the importance of dental aesthetics in job interviews.
In job interviews, people dress stylishly and neatly, but often neglect oral care. After eye contact, teeth are noticed first. This oversight leads to postponed oral care. For instance, in interviews, covering mouth issues with hands shows a lack of self-confidence, because this is often neglected. People usually postpone their oral care. When we go to a job interview, covering up the problems in our mouth with our hands, for example, shows a lack of self-confidence to the person we're facing.
This, of course, is a negative situation for the person conducting the interview. So, covering your mouth with your hand. For example, let me give you an example. I'm coming to your place for a job interview, and our conversation could be quite casual. There might be smiles, but I'm constantly covering my mouth with my hand. What do you think?
This also makes me feel uneasy. It also prevents you from expressing yourself clearly. So it's quite an uncomfortable situation.
That's why you say that in dental aesthetics, there are issues like discoloration, misalignments, missing teeth, and gaps in between. Aren't these the most obvious problems in dental aesthetics? Well, let's go through the treatment methods for these one by one if you want. What do you recommend for misalignments and gaps?
The ideal method for the gaps between the teeth, which we call diastema, is veneer and orthodontic treatment. Similarly, the ideal method for misalignments in teeth is orthodontics and veneer treatment.
When we talk about orthodontics, I guess that involves braces. Veneers or laminate veneers are what we call leaf porcelain, which we've explained in our previous videos. But which one do you prefer more?
We primarily prefer laminate veneer treatment because we achieve results in a short time.
How long does the laminate veneer process take?
It's around an average of a week.
You can get rid of those misalignments and gaps in about a week using the veneer method. We've already covered the topic of veneers in our previous videos. We also got the patient's perspective. You can watch. So, what treatment method is used for problems caused by missing teeth?
In cases of missing teeth, the most ideal method today to fill those gaps is implant treatment. Implant treatment involves titanium screws that are placed into the bone.
But implant treatment isn't a short-term treatment like veneers, right?
Yes. It consists of 2 stages. The production phase is short. There is a surgical phase. There's also a prosthetic phase. The surgical phase takes about 10 to 15 minutes. But the main factor that prolongs the duration of the implant is the time it takes for the screw to fuse with the bone. This takes about 1.5 months.
But the oldest method for missing teeth right now?
Yes, the healthiest and most effective method.
I also think one of the most important things, just as much as these, is tooth color. Personally, I feel uncomfortable seeing a yellow tooth in the people around me. It doesn't matter if it's with my friends, family, boyfriend, or spouse. This is about teeth whitening, and nowadays, teeth whitening has become a much quicker and easier procedure, right?
Right. When the person you are talking to has yellow teeth, gives you the impression that they are dirty. When the person in front of you has a bright white smile, it creates a feeling that is very hygienic and quite uplifting. So, with a whitening procedure that takes about 4 sessions, each lasting 15 minutes, we can lighten our teeth by almost 6 shades.
You're opening it. So, is it just 4 sessions with a week's interval between each one?
Or is it in one day, every other day, for the sessions? If there isn't a very stubborn tooth color, we can achieve whitening in about a week.
By the way, I know all the answers to these questions about teeth whitening, laminates, and implants, but I asked again just to repeat it for you. You can also watch the videos we previously made about laminates, implants, and teeth whitening to find the answers to all these questions. You can also direct your questions to Dr. Kazanda through your social media accounts below. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Looking to seeing you.